TwitterAccountCreator.com. In this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use the new version of the Twitter AC, version 3. First thing you're going to want to do is create some lists for your first names, last names, usernames, etc. Use the orange button here to create your lists. Just name your list and add your first names, one per line here. You can use the generate first names by selecting your gender and generate the first names button, and the names will be generated. Just name your list and create it. I've already created one here with the names in. You can use this button to view the file that's been saved if you want to edit it using the files. Say exactly the same with the last name list, and the username list is a mapper. So you create your list and then you use these placeholders for your first name and last name, # F and # last. You can use the default username mapper, which is spinnable syntax, but I've already created mine. Same with the passwords. Name your lists, and you can use just a spinnable password if you want, or one per line, it's up to you. Email lists, I'm going to create a new one so you know how to do it. I'm just going to call it emails. And I have some emails here which were created using the Hotmail account creator, which you can get off me as well if you wish. It is quite good. It uses the alias feature, so you get 10 additional accounts per account. Yeah, you should check it out. So I'm going to copy these emails and paste them into here, into the software. Now make sure you add your incoming mail server and your port number. So, I'm going to set mine for Hotmail and test the connection. It will randomly pick an account from the list and test it. So I've connected to one of them, and create the list. So we've got a new list created, which will be shown in the drop down here. Proxies, it is proxy supported. Just your IP, port, username and password, one per line. You can use public proxies. I wouldn't recommend it because they're not that great, but I find private proxies are best. I've already created my list here, and the accounts list, I'm going to create a new one for this tutorial just called accounts, and that will show up in the drop down menu. Now you've created all your lists, you need to load them, and they'll show in the statistics area here. So the first names going to load, you can see they've come up here. Last names, my username mapper, which is just one in the file. Password, just one. Email list, 42. Proxies, I've got 7 proxies, and my accounts list, which will be shown here with the number of rows in the accounts file.csv. It will start off with 1 just for the labels on the top. I want to proxy my connections using the proxy file I've loaded, and also remove email accounts. Now this feature will remove the accounts from the email list on successful registration. The number of accounts I'm just going to create, I'll do 20 for this tutorial using 20 threads. Threads is the number of browsers that will be running simultaneously to create the accounts. Page timeout 30 seconds, I'm just going to leave that as 30 seconds, and Captcha retries 3. Your Captcha services you now add from the tools menu, Captcha service accounts, and you can use def by Captcha, deCaptcha, bypass Captcha and Captcha Sniper. Just select the ones you want to use. Mine's selected, right. That's it. Click Start Account Creation. Just make sure you've loaded everything before you start creating the accounts. So this is you'll see the created accounts here and the failed accounts here. So we've got one created. It is fairly efficient, fills the forms using JavaScript. It's pretty quick. Right, so we've created 16 accounts. A few of them didn't get the captcha right for the 3 attempts. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is confirm the accounts. So we're going to Account Confirmation tab. You want to wait at least 3 to 6 minutes for the emails to reach the inbox, the confirmation links. I'm going to select my account CSV file which we created here and load the file. So we've got 16 loaded, 16 were created, and it'll say unconfirmed account 16 and confirmed 0. Really I should wait, but we'll just start the confirmation. It does support the alias feature and it is much better for confirming the accounts now. So it's going to connect to the servers and download the emails. It'll connect to them all unless it's obviously confirmed the account, and then it'll start confirming the accounts. As you can see, these are going down, and that one's going up. So we've got 15 confirmed. We try that again. Let's load the file again. Start the confirmation. There we go. So we've got 16 confirmed now. To export the accounts, well, the accounts list is saved in a particular format, so the software knows how to use it. You can view it in the Excel file with the full name, username, password, the proxy that was used, the email, status whether it's confirmed, the email data, which is what the software uses to connect to the servers, with the email, the password, the server port and its connection type. The confirmation link will be here as well. So to export the accounts, once you've created them, select your list, whether you want just confirmed or both or unconfirmed. I'm going to select just confirmed. To use this, you create a mapper, export mapper. So you can, I've done this so you can have it in any format that you want. So you do this by clicking, say, full name, and then I want a comma, a colon, sorry, and then I want username, colon, and then password. and export the accounts, and they're the accounts. Should have 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and it'll say export 16 accounts just confirmed .text, and the accounts are, when you export them, let me have a look. They'll just show up next to the exe file which you open. All your lists are stored inside the data folder of your accounts, all the data that the software uses. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope you like the new version, and sorry, I forgot to mention the profile updater. This is going to be coming soon. I've released this early because a lot of people have asked for it, but you will be able to select your profile pictures for the locations, bios and links, and update the accounts which have been created. So I hope you like the new version. I'll see you later.